SAP Data Archiving Online Training. Learn and upgrade your profile from professional trainer with Proexcellency Solutions Pvt. Ltd. Introduction to SAP Data Archiving. In the realm of SAP Business Systems, data archiving plays a crucial role in optimizing system performance, maintaining data integrity, and ensuring compliance with regulatory requirements. It involves the systematic transfer of inactive or outdated data from the active SAP database to an external storage system, where it remains accessible for retrieval but no longer impacts the day-to-day operations of the system. The benefits of using SAP Data Archiving. SAP Data Archiving offers several benefits to businesses, including improved system performance. By removing large amounts of inactive data from the SAP database, data archiving can significantly improve system performance. This is because the database has to manage less data, which reduces the amount of time it takes to query and process data. Reduced storage costs. Archiving data to an external storage system can help to reduce storage costs. This is because external storage is typically less expensive than the storage used by the SAP database. Enhanced data compliance. Data archiving can help businesses to comply with data retention requirements. By archiving data, businesses can ensure that they have a copy of their data that can be accessed in the event of an audit or legal action. Improved data security. Data archiving can help to improve data security by removing sensitive data from the SAP database. This can help to protect data from unauthorized access and theft. Increased system scalability. Data archiving can help to increase system scalability by making more space available in the SAP database. This can make it easier to add new data to the system and to support more users. Overall, SAP Data Archiving is a valuable tool that can help businesses to improve their system performance, reduce storage costs, enhance data compliance, improve data security, and increase system scalability. Key features of SAP Data Archiving. SAP Data Archiving is a crucial tool for managing and optimizing data storage in SAP systems. It offers a comprehensive set of features that enable organizations to effectively handle large volumes of data while maintaining system performance, compliance, and accessibility. Here are some of the key features of SAP Data Archiving. Data reduction. Data archiving helps reduce the volume of data stored in the active SAP database by removing obsolete or inactive data. This helps alleviate performance bottlenecks, improve system responsiveness, and minimize storage costs. Legal compliance. Data archiving plays a vital role in ensuring compliance with data retention regulations. By archiving data according to retention policies, organizations can maintain access to historical data for legal and audit purposes. Data retrieval. Archived data remains accessible for retrieval when needed. SAP provides mechanisms to retrieve archived data back into the active system for analysis or reference. Data integrity. Data archiving maintains data integrity throughout the process. Archived data is preserved in a secure and tamper-proof format, ensuring its reliability and authenticity. Modular architecture. SAP Data Archiving is modular in design, allowing for customization and integration with various SAP modules. This flexibility enables organizations to tailor archiving processes to their specific needs. Automated scheduling. Archiving tasks can be scheduled and automated to run periodically, ensuring that data is archived regularly and consistently. This automation helps streamline data management and reduce manual intervention. Audit trail. SAP Data Archiving maintains a detailed audit trail, documenting all archiving activities. This audit trail provides transparency and traceability for data archiving processes. Data migration. Data archiving can facilitate data migration between SAP systems. Archived data can be transferred to new systems, preserving historical data and maintaining continuity. Data security. SAP Data Archiving incorporates robust security measures to protect archived data from unauthorized access or modification. This ensures the confidentiality and integrity of sensitive information. Data governance. Data archiving supports data governance initiatives by enabling organizations to establish clear policies and procedures for data retention, access, and disposal. In summary, SAP Data Archiving offers a range of valuable features that make it an essential tool for managing data effectively in SAP systems. By leveraging these features, organizations can optimize their data storage, enhance system performance, maintain compliance, and ensure data accessibility for future needs. Getting started with SAP Data Archiving. SAP Data Archiving streamlines by moving data from the active SAP system to an external storage system, freeing up space, enhancing performance, and meeting regulatory standards. The advantages include cost reduction, improved system efficiency, and compliance. Data archived encompasses transactional, master, and document data, covering sales orders, customer info, and business-related documents. The archiving process involves selecting, writing, and deleting data, followed by accessible storage for future reference. To start with SAP Data Archiving. Assess your archiving needs by identifying data types, volume, and archiving frequency. Choose a suitable archiving strategy based on your business requirements. Implement the selected archiving solution by installing the necessary software and configuring your SAP system. While SAP Data Archiving may seem complex, its benefits of cost reduction, performance improvement, and regulatory compliance make it a valuable asset for businesses of all sizes. Identifying archiving objects in SAP Data Archiving. Identifying archiving objects in SAP Data Archiving is a crucial step in the data management process. Archiving objects are predefined sets of data that can be archived to external storage to reduce the volume of data in the SAP system. Choosing the appropriate archiving objects ensures that only relevant and non-critical data is archived, maintaining data integrity and accessibility. Methods for identifying archiving objects. Transaction DB15. This transaction provides a comprehensive overview of all archiving objects available in the SAP system. It displays information such as the object's name, description, associated application area, and whether it is active or inactive. Transaction DB02. This transaction helps identify tables with high growth in data volumes, indicating potential candidates for archiving. It displays the table name, current data volume, and growth rate, allowing you to prioritize archiving based on data volume expansion. Transaction PANA. This transaction is particularly useful when a table has multiple archiving objects associated with it. It analyzes the table's data structure and suggests the most suitable archiving object based on the specific data types and relationships within the table. Additional considerations. Business requirements. The archiving process should align with business requirements and data retention policies. Consult with business stakeholders to determine which data is essential for ongoing operations and which can be safely archived. Technical expertise. Identifying and archiving objects may require technical expertise, especially for complex SAP systems. Consider involving SAP consultants or IT professionals to ensure the process is handled correctly. Data access. Ensure that archived data remains accessible for authorized users when needed. Implement procedures for retrieving archived data for specific purposes, such as audits or investigations. Regular review. Regularly review the archived data to ensure it remains relevant and aligns with evolving business needs. Consider purging or deleting obsolete archived data to optimize storage space and maintain data integrity. Effectively identifying archiving objects in SAP Data Archiving is essential for efficient data management, ensuring that valuable data is preserved while minimizing storage requirements and optimizing system performance. Scheduling archiving jobs in SAP Data Archiving. Scheduling archiving jobs in SAP Data Archiving is a crucial step in managing data volume and ensuring system performance. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to schedule archiving jobs. Access Archive Administration. Begin by accessing the Archive Administration transaction, SARA, from the SAP Easy Access menu. Specify archiving object. On the initial screen, enter the name of the archiving object you want to schedule a job for in the object name field. Initiate preprocessing. Select the preprocessing option. This will take you to the Archive Administration preprocessing screen. Schedule background job. Here, you can schedule a background job for the preprocessing program. Use the F4 help to choose the appropriate variant. Set start date and spool parameters. Enter the desired start date for the job and specify the spool parameters as needed. Save and schedule. Save the changes and schedule the job using the Schedule button. Repeat for write and delete programs. Repeat steps to 2.6 for the write and delete programs associated with the archiving object. Monitor job status. Track the status of the scheduled jobs using the SM37 transaction in SAP. By following these steps, you can effectively schedule archiving jobs in SAP Data Archiving, ensuring that data is archived efficiently and system performance is maintained. Executing and monitoring archiving runs in SAP Data Archiving. Effectively managing archiving processes in SAP Data Archiving is crucial for maintaining system performance and data integrity. Archiving involves identifying, selecting, and transferring data from the active database to an archive storage system, optimizing space, and adhering to data retention policies. To execute archiving runs, there are two primary methods. Scheduling jobs. Utilize SAP Background Processing, SM35, to schedule archiving jobs, allowing for automatic triggering at specific times or intervals. Manual execution. Use the SAP Archive Development Kit, ADK, tools to manually execute archiving runs, beneficial for testing or on-demand jobs. Monitoring the archiving process is vital, and the following tools can assist. Archiving Workbench offers a detailed overview of the archiving process, displaying current and completed sessions, along with information on reloading archived data and package profile formation. Data Archiving Monitor provides insights into executed archiving sessions, detailing write and delete phases, start time, runtime, archive file size, and the number of archived data objects. Alert Monitor displays alerts, including errors or warnings generated during the archiving process. Useful tips for executing and monitoring archiving runs. Schedule jobs regularly. Prevent data accumulation in the active database by scheduling archiving jobs regularly to maintain optimal performance. Closely monitor runs. Pay close attention to generated errors or warnings during archiving runs. Review archiving logs. Detailed information in archiving logs aids in troubleshooting and resolving any issues. Utilize archiving tools. Leverage SAP's array of archiving tools to automate and manage the archiving process efficiently. Team training. Ensure your team is well-versed in the archiving process, including monitoring and troubleshooting, for seamless system operation. By incorporating these tips and utilizing available tools, you can ensure the smooth and efficient operation of your SAP data archiving system. Managing archived data in SAP Data Archiving. Effective management of archived data in SAP Data Archiving involves several key steps to ensure organized storage, retrieval, and deletion. These steps aim to maintain data integrity, enhance system performance, and adhere to regulatory standards. Preparation for data archiving. Identify unused data. Determine data that is no longer in active use and can be moved to the archive. Define archiving objects. Establish archiving objects representing the structure and logic for specific data types. Create archiving variants. Set parameters for archiving, including selection criteria and destination options. Executing data archiving. Write archive files. The archiving program reads, applies selection criteria, and writes selected data to archive files stored in a separate system. Delete archived data. After successful archiving, delete the original data from the database to free up space and enhance performance. Managing archived data. Archive file storage. Securely store archive files to ensure data integrity and protect against unauthorized access. Archive file access. Implement procedures for accessing and retrieving archived data when needed, using specialized tools or interfaces. Data retention policies. Define policies for how long archived data should be retained based on legal, regulatory, and business requirements. Data destruction. Develop procedures for securely destroying archived data that has reached the end of its retention period. Data archiving monitoring. Archiving log analysis. Regularly review archiving logs to identify errors, warnings, or unusual patterns indicating potential issues. Monitor archive file size and growth. Keep an eye on the size and growth of archive files to ensure storage capacity is not exceeded. Track data access and retrieval. Monitor the frequency and patterns of archived data access to optimize storage and retrieval processes. By following these simplified steps, organizations can efficiently manage archived data in SAP Data Archiving, ensuring data integrity, optimal system performance, and compliance with regulatory standards. Restoring archived data in SAP Data Archiving. Restoring archived data in SAP Data Archiving involves retrieving archived data from the archive storage and reintegrating it into the live SAP system. This process is typically performed when archived data is needed for further processing or analysis. The specific steps for restoring archived data vary depending on the SAP module and the type of data being restored. However, the general process typically involves the following steps. Identify the archived data. Determine the specific archived data that needs to be restored. This may involve identifying the archiving object, the archiving session, and the selection criteria used to archive the data. Create a restore request. Use the appropriate SAP transaction code to create a restore request. This request specifies the archived data to be restored and a target system or application where the data will be reintegrated. Restore the archived data. The SAP system will retrieve the archived data from the archive storage and reintegrate it into the target system or application. This may involve converting the data to the current format and updating the appropriate database tables. Verify the restored data. Once the restoration process is complete, verify that the data was restored correctly and that it is consistent with the live data in the SAP system. Here are some additional considerations for restoring archived data in SAP Data Archiving. Authorization. Users must have the appropriate authorization to restore archived data. This authorization typically requires a specific role or profile assignment. Performance: restoring large volumes of archived data can be resource-intensive. It is recommended to schedule restoration tasks during off-peak hours to minimize impact on system performance. Data consistency: ensure that the restored data is consistent with the live data in the SAP system. This may involve reconciling data discrepancies or updating related data records. Documentation: document the restoration process, including the archived data restored, the target system, and any issues that were encountered. This documentation can be helpful for future reference or troubleshooting. Best practices for using SAP Data Archiving. SAP Data Archiving is a crucial process for managing the ever-growing volume of data generated by SAP systems. It involves offloading inactive data from the SAP system to an archive storage system, ensuring optimal performance and manageability of the live system. To effectively implement SAP Data Archiving, consider these best practices. Identify and prioritize archiving objects. Carefully analyze your SAP system's data landscape to identify archiving objects that are no longer actively used. Prioritize archiving objects based on their size, frequency of access, and impact on system performance. Establish archiving retention policies. Define clear retention policies for archived data, considering regulatory requirements, business needs, and data access requirements. Regularly review and update these policies as business needs evolve. Schedule archiving jobs. Schedule regular archiving jobs to automate the process of offloading data to the archive storage system. This ensures that inactive data is consistently removed from the live system, maintaining its performance and manageability. Implement archiving variants. Utilize archiving variants to customize archiving settings for specific data objects or business scenarios. This allows for tailored archiving processes that meet the unique requirements of different data types. Monitor archiving logs. Regularly monitor archiving logs to ensure that archiving jobs are running successfully and no errors are occurring. This proactive approach helps identify and resolve any potential issues promptly. Implement data retrieval procedures. Establish procedures for retrieving archived data when necessary. This may involve accessing the archive storage system directly or utilizing SAP's data retrieval functionalities. Integrate archiving with backup and recovery processes. Integrate data archiving with backup and recovery processes to ensure that archived data is included in disaster recovery plans. This protects against data loss and ensures business continuity. Utilize archiving tools. Leverage SAP's archiving tools and functionalities to streamline the archiving process and simplify data management. These tools provide automation, monitoring, and reporting capabilities. Train and empower users. Provide training to SAP users on archiving procedures and data retrieval processes. This empowers users to understand the impact of archiving and access archived data when needed. Continuously review and optimize. Regularly review and optimize archiving processes to ensure they align with evolving business needs and data growth trends. This continuous improvement ensures that archiving remains effective and efficient. Troubleshooting common issues in SAP Data Archiving. Addressing issues in SAP Data Archiving requires a systematic approach. Start by clearly defining the problem, gathering relevant information, and checking the configuration settings. Analyze job logs for error messages, ensure data consistency, and conduct test runs to replicate the problem. For common issues: archiving jobs not running. Verify job schedules and user authorizations. Check for dependencies affecting job execution. Data not being archived. Confirm accurate data selection criteria. Check for data inconsistencies or missing elements. Archiving errors. Analyze error messages in job logs for specific causes. Validate data, correct configurations, and refer to SAP notes. Archiving performance issues. Optimize by adjusting batch size and using parallel processing. Consider data compression and archival storage solutions. Archiving space issues. Monitor archive storage, ensure space availability. Implement data retention policies and manage old archived data. If issues persist, consult SAP notes for guidance or seek expert assistance from SAP support or consultants. Effective troubleshooting maintains the integrity of your SAP system. The future of SAP data archiving and data management. The future of SAP data archiving and management is evolving with key trends. Here's a simplified look. Growing data challenges. Companies are dealing with larger and more complex data sets, straining traditional management methods. Demand for data agility. Quick and easy access to data is crucial for informed decisions. This requires flexible and scalable archiving and management solutions. Rise of new technologies, cloud computing, AI, and ML are transforming data handling. They automate tasks, enhance data quality, and offer fresh insights. Future outlook. Cloud adoption. More organizations are shifting to cloud-based solutions for SAP data management due to scalability, flexibility, and cost savings. AI and ML integration, automation, improved data quality, and insights are achieved by incorporating AI and ML into data archiving and management processes. Data governance embrace. As data collection increases, the importance of managing data availability, usability, integrity, and security through data governance is rising. Examples in action. SAP Information Lifecycle Management, ILM, a cloud-enabled solution managing SAP data lifecycle, whether on-premises, in the cloud, or hybrid. SAP Data Quality Management, DQM, enhances SAP data accuracy, consistency, and completeness through tools for cleansing, enrichment, and standardization. SAP Predictive Analytics utilizes data mining, machine learning, and predictive modeling to predict future events and improve decision-making. In adapting to these trends, organizations position themselves to effectively manage data and gain a competitive edge. Salary expectations and career opportunities. SAP Data Archiving in India. Salary expectations for SAP data archiving specialists in India can vary based on factors such as experience, skills, and location. According to recent job postings, the average annual salary for these specialists ranges from 400,000 rupee to 600,000 rupees. Experienced SAP data archiving specialists with over 5 years of experience can command higher salaries, reaching up to 800,000 rupees annually. Those with expertise in specific areas like SAP ERP or SAP S/4HANA may earn even more. Here's a breakdown of the average salary range in India for SAP data archiving specialists by experience level. Entry level, 0 to 2 years, 300,000 rupees to 400,000 rupees per year. Mid-level, 2 to 5 years, 400,000 rupees to 600,000 rupees per year. Senior level, 5+ years, 600,000 rupees to 800,000 rupees per year. The field of SAP data archiving is growing in India, with increasing demand across various industries such as IT, manufacturing, retail, and healthcare. To excel in this career, it's essential to possess skills like a strong understanding of SAP data archiving principles, proficiency in relevant tools, knowledge of data quality management, and excellent analytical and communication skills. For those aspiring to pursue a career in SAP data archiving in India, consider taking the following steps. Enroll in SAP Data Archiving training courses. Gain practical experience through real-world projects. Network with fellow SAP professionals in India. Stay updated on the latest trends and technologies in SAP data archiving. With dedication and effort, building a successful and rewarding career in SAP data archiving in India is achievable. Why choose SAP Data Archiving online training? Here are some of the benefits of choosing SAP Data Archiving online training. Convenience and flexibility. Online training allows you to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. You can access the course materials and participate in discussions from anywhere with an internet connection. Cost effectiveness. Online training is often more affordable than traditional classroom training, as there are no travel or accommodation costs. Global access to expertise. Online training gives you access to a wider range of instructors and experts from around the world. Up-to-date content. Online courses are often updated more frequently than traditional classroom courses, so you can be sure you are learning the latest information. Interactive learning environment. Many online courses offer interactive features, such as quizzes, simulations, and discussion forums, to help you learn more effectively. In addition to these general benefits, there are also some specific benefits to choosing SAP Data Archiving online training. Learn from experienced SAP professionals. SAP Data Archiving online courses are taught by experienced SAP professionals who have a deep understanding of the subject matter. Gain hands-on experience. Many SAP Data Archiving online courses offer hands-on exercises and projects to help you gain practical experience with the software. Prepare for SAP Data Archiving Certification. SAP Data Archiving online courses can help you prepare for the SAP Certified Application Professional Data Archiving with SAP ERP 6.0 certification exam. Overall, SAP Data Archiving online training is a convenient, cost-effective, and effective way to learn about SAP Data Archiving. If you are considering taking an SAP Data Archiving course, I encourage you to look into online training options. Advantages of choosing SAP Data Archiving online training. There are many advantages to choosing SAP Data Archiving online training, including flexibility. Online training allows you to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. This is especially beneficial for busy professionals who may not have the time to attend traditional classroom training. Accessibility. Online training can be accessed from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. This makes it a great option for professionals who travel frequently or who live in remote areas. Cost-effectiveness. Online training is typically more cost-effective than traditional classroom training. This is because there are no overhead costs associated with renting a classroom or hiring a trainer. Variety of options. There are a variety of SAP Data Archiving online training courses available, so you can find one that fits your specific needs and learning style. Up-to-date content. Online training courses are often updated more frequently than traditional classroom training courses, so you can be sure that you are learning the latest information. In addition to these general advantages, there are also some specific advantages to choosing SAP Data Archiving online training, including learn from experienced professionals. Many SAP Data Archiving online training courses are taught by experienced professionals who have worked in the field. This means that you will be able to learn from their expertise and experience. Gain hands-on experience. Many SAP Data Archiving online training courses include hands-on exercises and projects. This will give you the opportunity to practice what you have learned and gain real-world experience. Get certified. Some SAP Data Archiving online training courses can help you prepare for the SAP Certified Data Archiving Specialist exam. This certification is a valuable credential that can help you advance your career. Overall, SAP Data Archiving online training is a great option for professionals who want to learn about SAP Data Archiving and gain the skills they need to be successful in their field. Why choose Proexcellency SAP Data Archiving online training? Here are some of the reasons why you might choose Proexcellency for SAP Data Archiving online training. Experienced instructors. Proexcellency's instructors are experienced SAP professionals who have a deep understanding of data archiving. They are able to provide you with the knowledge and skills you need to succeed in this field. Comprehensive curriculum. Proexcellency's SAP Data Archiving online training course covers all of the essential topics, including the basics of data archiving objects, data assignment to archiving objects, and data archiving transactions. Flexible learning options. Proexcellency offers a variety of learning options to fit your schedule and learning style. You can choose to take the course live online, self-paced online, or in a blended format. Affordable pricing. Proexcellency's SAP Data Archiving online training course is competitively priced, making it an affordable option for individuals and businesses. Positive reviews. Proexcellency has a proven track record of success, with many satisfied customers who have benefited from their SAP training courses. Here are some additional benefits of choosing Proexcellency for SAP Data Archiving online training. Real-world examples. Proexcellency's instructors use real-world examples to illustrate key concepts, making it easier for you to understand and apply the material. Hands-on exercises. Proexcellency's SAP Data Archiving online training course includes hands-on exercises that give you the opportunity to practice what you have learned. Access to Proexcellency's SAP support team. Proexcellency's SAP support team is available to answer your questions and help you troubleshoot problems. Overall, Proexcellency is a reputable and experienced provider of SAP training courses, including SAP Data Archiving online training. If you are looking for a comprehensive and affordable training course that will help you learn the skills you need to succeed in SAP Data Archiving, then Proexcellency is a great option. Thank you. Contact us for more information. 08031508687 +918722079509 info@proexcellency.com www.proexcellency.com Bangalore, India